The Pythagorean theorem states that in a right-angled triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle, is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. Mathematically, this can be represented as c squared equals a squared plus b squared, where c is the length of the hypotenuse, and b are the lengths of the other two sides. Here's a verbal step-by-step derivation of the theorem. Step 1. Start with a right-angled triangle ABC, where angle C is 90 degrees. Step 2. Draw squares on each side of the triangle. The squares can be drawn outward from each side, creating 4 smaller squares around the triangle. Step 3. Observe that the area of the square built on the hypotenuse, side AB, is c squared, as its side length is c. Step 4. The area of the square built on side AC is a squared, and the area of the square built on side BC is b squared. Step 5. The combined area of the two smaller squares, a squared and b squared, is equal to the area of the larger square, c squared. This is because the sum of the areas of the squares around the triangle is equal to the area of the square on the hypotenuse. Step 6. Mathematically, you can express this as a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And that's the Pythagorean theorem.